Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the on-screen keyboard that is currently available in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so once you have logged in your Google account, just go to mail.google.com to access your Gmail. So, in order for you to access the on-screen keyboard available in Gmail, all you have to do is just look at the upper right part of your screen. So you can already see here the keyboard emoji or the keyboard icon, which means input tools on and off. You can also use your own keyboard, which is the Control Shift key, and then just click on it. So as you can see, you have now the access to the on-screen keyboard available in Gmail. Once you click that, even you're looking at your mails, it is currently in just in the screen. So let's try it. For example, I want to search an email, and there you have it. It is working for Gmail. Although it is working for Gmail, you cannot use it on the other application, but mostly your computer will have an on-screen keyboard available. You'll just need to type it onto your search bar. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!